Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Taskin Doppler 2 toiletry bag. Now I was given this product to me free, so I'm just really impressed with the overall quality of this bag. It looks and feels really nice. The zippers are really nice. It's got a lot of storage in here. I like that I can open it up, lay it flat, and then I've got these other compartments. That's just a super nice feature, being able to kind of store my other stuff and keep them separated from each other. Again, very impressed with the overall quality of this bag. Let's just do dimensions really quick. So each compartment is about 9 inches by about 4 inches, and each compartment's roughly about 1.5 inches deep. Okay, so let's close it up. Again, it feels real nice on the outside, and the zipper works really well. Closes up on the first time. It's got a nice handle here. Also, there's another compartment right here. I can open this up, and I can put stuff right in here. It's not super wide, but I can get stuff in there. It does have 2 little hook loops down here I could put something in. Got their nice little logo on it. It just looks really nice. Overall dimensions, you're looking at it about 10 inches by about 5.5, and depth-wise about 3.5. So just a very nice, I'm super excited to be using it. Thanks everybody for watching.